Let us continue the slides now. So look at the next question. So next example, in what ratio does the point minus 4 comma 6 divide the line segment joining the points A of minus 6 comma 10 and B of 3 comma minus 8, right? So that is the different from the previous one. Okay, so the previous one they are asking to find out the coordinate point which divides the line segment in the particular ratio, but here we are going to find out the particular ratio only here, but the coordinate point which divides, so that information given here. So let us see the solution video now.
For the solution here, in second one, what is given the endpoints of the line segment given here A and B, and P also given here. So P is nothing but that particular point divides the line segment in a certain ratio, and they are asking to find out the ratio only here. So the difference between the previous one and this one is nothing but the last one, the endpoints are given and as the ratio also given. We found the particular point, that is division point. But here division point is given and also the end of line segment also given here. So now we are going to find out the ratio, right? So by using the section formula only. What is the section formula? So P equal to, or P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. And here x1 is minus 6 and x2 equal to 3, y1 equal to 10 and y2 equal to minus 8. And similarly, P of x comma y is given here. We are going to find out m1 and m2 only. So keep the value as it is. Okay. So instead of P, let us take minus 4 comma 6. That is given here into. So what is m1? So m1 is can keep as it is. That is unknown value. So x2 value 3 plus m2 value is also unknown and x1 value minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2 comma. What about the again m1 as this, then y2 value minus 8 plus m2 as this and y1 value 10 divided by m1 plus m2. Simplify now. So we can minus 4 comma 6 equal to right hand side. So 3 m1 minus 6 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 comma minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Right? Now it is not possible to simplify further. So now left hand side also it is coordinate point, this is x comma y only, and right hand side also it is a coordinate point x comma y coordinate only. So the x coordinates are same and y coordinates are same because equal to means here. Okay. So now we equate either x value or y value on both of the sides. So now I am going to equate the x value here. So left hand side minus 4 equal right hand side 3 m1 minus 6 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Right? So make it equal to 3 m1 minus 6 m2. So multiply 4 inside, minus 4 m1 minus 4 m2 equal to 3 m1 minus 6 m2. And then just write m1 together one side and m2 together another side. So minus 4 m1 and this will become minus 3 m1 left hand side. And right hand side already 6 minus 6 m2 is there and bring it minus 4 m right hand side will become plus 4 m2. Now add these are like terms, so minus 7 m1 equal to, so here minus 2 m2. Therefore, so bring the variable to one side. So m1 divided by m2 equal to number 7 by right hand side. Minus 2 by minus 7. So minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 7. Which implies you can take that m1 is to m2. This ratio as 2 is to 7. So that is the required ratio.
Look at the next example. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A of 2 comma minus 2 and B of minus 7 comma 4. So here they're asking to find out the coordinates. Okay, when we trisect a line segment in equal parts. Okay, So the end points of the line segment A and B given here, 2, -2 and B of -7, 4. Okay. So with the help of this information, we are going to find out the coordinate points only, right? So let us see the solution video now.
The third question, what is the solution here? So here the end points of A and B given as 2, -2 and -7, 4. So let us take this one here A and this one B, and this point 2, -2 and this one -7, 4. That is given here. And also they ask you to find out the coordinates of the point of the trisection of the line segment. So that is a particular line segment. So we are going to trisect this line segment. Trisect means we are going to split the line segment into 3 equal chords, right? Suppose if you put only one coordinate here, that particular coordinate divides the line segment into 2 parts only. So one is AB and another one is BB. But they ask you to do trisection. Okay, that means we are going to plot one more point between AB, right? Now AB is one of the parts and PQ is another part and QB is the third part, right? So trisection means the line segment divided by 3 equal trisections. Okay, 3 equal ratio. So 1:1:1. Okay, now they are asking to find out the coordinates P and Q only, right? Suppose it is divided by 4 sections means one more. Again, we are going to find out these 2 points by using the section formula only. So now I am going to find out the first value, that is P of x comma y, that is P point only. So when you find out any one other point, so hide one more point here. Okay. Suppose if you are going to find out P value, just hide Q, right? That means the diagram will be like this. So this one AB and this one P and here 1. So already here between PB is nothing but 1 plus 1. So this is 2. So the P divides AB, the ratio 1:2. There is a P here. So here let us take M1 is 1 and M2 equal to 2. Right? So now what's the formula? So M2 x1, sorry, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So that is the formula. So here now the A value is 2, -2 and B value -7, 4 and M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2. Okay. So substitute here. So P of x, y equal to, so instead of M1, so 1 and x2 value -7 plus M2 value 2 and x1 value 2 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, and again M1 value 1, y2 value 4 plus M2 value 2 and y1 value -2 divided by 1 plus 2. So equal to, now multiply -7 plus 4 divided by 3. So here 4 minus 4 divided by 3. So equal to -3 by 3, comma 0 by 3. So equal to, so if you simplify means you get -1, 0. Right? So -1, 0. So P of x, y. So the coordinates of P is -1, 0. Right? Next we are going to find out the coordinates of Q. Right? In the diagram, so this one A, this one B. Now let us take Q now. Okay. Now what is the ratio of AP here? So 1 plus 1. Okay, AQ here. So 1 plus 1, 2 here. Therefore AQ is equal to 2 and Q gives 1. Therefore the Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Right? So here M1 equal to 2 and M2 equal to 1. And A value after this 2, -2, B value -7, 4. Go to find out the value of Q, that is Q coordinate. So in the first line segment, the coordinates P and Q divides it into trisection, that is 3 equal parts, 1:1:1. So we found the P already. Now we are going to find out Q. So A value and B value as this, that is A is 2, -2 and B is -7, right? Now we need a ratio. Here from this diagram, so now we are going to find the coordinates of Q only. So just remove P now, right? Then the AQ is nothing but ratio 2 and QB is nothing but 1. So 2:1. So the ratio is of Q is nothing but 2:1. Therefore, M1 value 2, M2 value 1. Similarly, X1 value 2, Y1 value -2, X2 value -7, Y2 equal to 4. Now substitute in section formula. So Q of X comma Y equal to, so the formula is M2 X1 plus M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now substitute here. So M1 value 2 and X2 value -7 plus M2 value 1 and X1 value 2 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, then again M1 value 2, Y2 value 4 plus M2 value 1 and Y1 value -2 divided by 2 plus 1. So equal to, now simplify this, -14 plus 2 divided by 3, comma 8 minus 2 divided by 3. So equal to, if you subtract it, you get -12 by 3, comma here 6 by 3. So when we divide it here, 1 time here, 4 times, 1 time here, 2 times. So -4, comma 2. So now the coordinates of Q is nothing but -4, comma 2.
I think every one of you understood what and all we have seen in today's session. So what and all we have seen today. So the distance formula, we have completed 1/7 distance formula and section formula. So what is the application of the section formula? So the application of section formula is nothing but we can find out the coordinate of the point P which lies between a line segment AB or on the line segment AB, and in what ratio it should divide the line segment. So that is the one thing. And another one, if the ratio given means how can you find out the coordinate of the point? So for dividing a line segment, we have to use section formula. So for finding the ratio and with the particular coordinate points, right? So just go through the video once again if you not understand, and still if you have any doubt, just ask me, I will clear your doubt. So thank you, we'll meet again.